Hello, I'm going to go over with you today how to fix the green screen problem when watching videos online, whether through YouTube or your online required trainings through CCSD or just anything. I mean, I've seen it happen on many different websites, news websites. Is when you click play, it pulls up a green screen through the Chrome browser. I'm going to go through a fix with you on that, okay? What you're going to want to do is open up your web browser on your Windows 10 PC, and up in the top right-hand corner, you're going to click on the three vertical dots, and you're going to scroll down here to Settings. Once the settings is open, you're going to come over here to the left-hand side and click on Advanced, and come down here and click on System. Once you are in the system, right here where it says Use Hardware Acceleration when available, you're going to want to turn this off. And then you're going to click relaunch. Now, I'm not going to click relaunch because that's going to stop the video from going, and plus I'm not having problems with it, so I'm going to leave mine on for now. But by turning that off and relaunching it, you'll then be able to get in and start playing your videos. It shouldn't affect any other problems, any other functions of the computer, but it will fix the green screen issue. I hope this helps your problem, and we'll see you next time.